nationwide Bandh erupted today against the classification of SC Cent reservations, plunging several parts of the country into chaos. Ambedkar Sangh supporters took to the streets in large numbers, blocking roads, lighting fires, and raising their voices against the Supreme Court and central government. The agitation quickly spread across cities and towns, with political backing from parties like the RJD, LJP, and others. Protesters, armed with banners and slogans, made their presence felt, anticipating a ripple effect across the nation. As tensions rise, the impact of this bandh remains to be seen. The nation watches closely, wondering what lies ahead in this crucial debate. Modi embarks on historic visit to Poland, first in 45 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set off on a significant diplomatic mission, departing for Warsaw, Poland. This visit marks a momentous occasion as it will be the first time in 45 years that an Indian Prime Minister has made an official trip to Poland. The two-day visit underscores a renewed commitment to strengthening the ties between India and Poland. During his stay, PM Modi is expected to engage in high-level discussions aimed at enhancing bilateral relations and exploring new avenues for collaboration. Poisoning incident at Chittoor Apollo Health University has affected 70 students who have been admitted to Chittoor Government Hospital. The condition of the students is reported to be critical. According to sources, the students' health is deteriorating and they are receiving urgent medical care at the hospital. Both the university administration and health officials are actively working to address the situation and prevent further incidents. An investigation into the cause of the food poisoning is underway, with authorities aiming to ensure such an incident does not happen again. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as more information becomes available. A controversy has erupted in the police station premises following Independence Day celebrations. 4 police personnel, including 2 male officers and 2 female staff members, have been suspended for dancing to the song Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala. According to sources, the video of this dance went viral on social media, prompting immediate action from the administration. The police department has deemed the dance a violation of service rules, leading to the suspension of all 4 employees. The administration has stated that a thorough investigation is underway and that strict adherence to departmental standards will be ensured. The suspended personnel's service records will be reviewed, and future actions will be determined accordingly. We witnessed a grand celebration as Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, and both Deputy Chief Ministers of Maharashtra graced the Agriculture Festival with their presence. The event, held to celebrate and promote agricultural advancements, saw the convergence of key political figures who emphasized the importance of agriculture in Maharashtra's economy. The festival provided a platform for farmers, agribusinesses, and policymakers to engage and discuss strategies for enhancing agricultural productivity and sustainability. With top leaders present, the festival not only showcased Maharashtra's rich agricultural heritage but also underscored the commitment to supporting the farming community and advancing agricultural practices.